you, Caramel. You're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Look at you. Hey guys, it's Tamemoji3. And just patting my cute little cat because Calico Gaming Life commented me to do more videos with animals. Look at you. And she's sitting in my briefcase. Aren't you? You think that's comfortable? Don't you? You were so cute. So soft. Fluffy. You're special. She's like 15 years old. It's really old for a cat. 15 or 16. Oh, you're good. If you listen closely, she's purring. Leave this video a like, subscribe to get through 30 subs to do the plushie raffle, and bye.